know what I mean? Definitely really healthy and good for us. So basically you need some turmeric right here, turmeric, grounded turmeric. You can get the fresh one if you like to, but I'm just gonna use the normal one, the grounded one. Now we're gonna get a piece of ginger. Remove the skin from the ginger. And that's simple. Grate it on this side, or you can use this side. So I'm gonna be just using this side. Just a little piece of ginger. Lovely. Nice one. And half of a lime. That's all you need to make this lovely tea. Alright, so now I'm gonna take you into business how to make this lovely tea at home and drink it early in the morning before breakfast, or you can drink it at night also. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice. So basically you need a medium-sized pan like this, 1 cup of water, and what you're going to do is gonna scrape that beautiful ginger which you just grated. Alright, lovely. And what you're gonna do next is one teaspoon of turmeric, grounded one. Put that to the boil for roughly about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically this is boil now. Now what we're going to do is pour off this. Alright, let's turn off the stove and let's go into business. Nice and beautiful. So very easy recipe, guys. What we're going to do now is pour off this nice lovely tea. Lovely and nice. That is fantastic. Now squeeze half of a lime juice into it. Immaculate change in the color. Lime is so powerful. Look at that. Now we're just gonna simple put roughly about half teaspoon of honey. Just mix it really well and taste. That is beautiful. So as you can see, all the lime juice is so powerful. A lot of people might say to me, say, every time I've been using lime or lemon into my things and what I normally use, but I know the reason why. Because lime is that thing which when it goes inside of you, it cuts what it needs to cut and clean the immune system. Alright guys, this is just a healthy tea, especially it's coming up to winter, so it's good to drink these. So just enjoy the recipe guys, and subscribe, leave your comments and tell me what do you think about my turmeric tea, grounded turmeric tea with ginger and lime with honey. Enjoy, subscribe, it's very important, and I will see you next time with more lovely recipe like this. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show, and don't forget that ingredients is just step by step, very easy. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.